What if your entire financial future depended not on a guarantee, but on a single choice you make today? It represents a quiet, profound shift from a promise of security to the power of ownership. This is the National Pension System. Launched in 2004 for government employees and expanded to all citizens in 2009, the NPS was born from a clear fiscal necessity. It marked a fundamental move away from an unsustainable defined benefit pension model toward a sustainable defined contribution structure. Its core objective is to provide old-age income security by fostering a national habit of disciplined, systematic saving. The system's brilliance lies in its intentionally unbundled architecture. It is not one single entity. Instead, it is a robust network of specialized, independent entities, all regulated by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. This design creates an inherent system of checks and balances, ensuring operational transparency and building profound long-term trust. Upon joining, every subscriber receives a unique permanent retirement account number or PRAN. Think of this number as your financial anchor. It is uniquely yours and it moves with you, portable across any job, any sector, and any location in India. Your contributions are invested in a mix of assets, equities, corporate bonds, and government securities. Here, you are given control. You may use the active choice to personally direct your asset allocation. Or, you can select the auto choice, an intelligent life cycle fund that acts as your portfolio's guide, automatically de-risking your investments, methodically shifting from higher-risk equities to safer assets as you approach retirement. This is not a static fund. It is market-linked and designed for growth, driven by the power of compounding. The tax benefits are substantial, with exclusive deductions engineered to incentivize the very act of saving for your future. The NPS is also a living system. It evolves. Recent changes in 2025 highlight this dynamic nature. A new unified pension scheme now offers a hybrid, assured benefit option for government employees. Simultaneously, non-government subscribers have been granted new flexibility, including the potential to allocate 100% of their investment into equities. This journey culminates at retirement. You can withdraw 60% of your entire accumulated corpus as a tax-free lump sum. The remaining 40% is dedicated to purchasing an annuity, which provides you with a regular, predictable pension for the rest of your life. For the employer, NPS is a stable structure for providing a critical employee benefit. For the employee, it is the ultimate tool of financial empowerment. It is the framework that masterfully balances individual responsibility with long-term security. The National Pension System is more than a regulation. It is the architecture of your own security. It is the definitive statement that the most secure retirement is not one that is simply given, but one that is diligently built.